So today's topic, first and foremost, is simple sentences. Now, simple sentences is something that generally is understood to us by name. हमें पता होता है, सबको पता होता है कि simple sentences क्या है. We already know कि अच्छा simple sentence का मतलब क्या है. There's going to be a subject and a predicate. ये तो probably at some point in your life आप सबने सुना होगा कि अच्छा एक simple sentence में एक subject होता है, एक verb होता है और एक object होता है, and that is what makes a simple sentence, right? और सबसे ज्यादा मजे की बात, इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि a lot of us actually end up only making simple sentences and using them in our narratives. But ये सबसे बड़ी गलती होती है because when it comes to our narrative writings particularly or descriptive writing for that matter, we need to understand that just making simple sentences is not going to cut it. Examiner is looking for variety. If there is no variety, examiner will think, acha, this child is not a professional language user. Acha, for the convenience of Hasnain and Muhammad, you guys have kind of like joined us in between. So for your convenience, I will share with you the demo class or the first two lessons that we took. You can go through those videos, okay? And inshallah, hopefully that will things will make a lot more sense for you guys, okay? This is probably our fifth or sixth or seventh lesson, I guess. But inshallah, you will start catching up as we go along, okay? So you won't have a problem. You can always reach out if need be on WhatsApp as well. I'm always there, okay? Anyway, moving on. So like I said, simple sentences is the first basic kind of sentence type that we actually should know to use in our writings. However, if you overdo it, you get no marks. Examiner सोचेगा कि यार अच्छा ये बच्चा तो सिर्फ simple sentences use करता जा रहा है, क्या इसको कोई और sentence type नहीं आती? So this class is going to be about simple sentences, then we're going to have compound sentences, and then we're going to have complex. The interesting bit is that at some point in our lives, all of us have actually done this. Maybe in junior school, maybe in middle school, but then as we move on into our O levels, we forget about this. Isn't that the case? How many of you would give me a thumbs up on this? See, so you are somehow and to some extent familiar with the names, if not the rules, right? So rules is what we're going to tackle today and understand in their entirety. Acha, up simple sentences are pretty simple. You have a small definition given as well. A simple sentence has one main clause and it expresses one complete idea, जिसको हम independent idea या independent clause भी कहते हैं. It contains a subject, it contains a verb, and it contains an object. Acha, ab at times it is okay if it does not have an object. Object nahi bhi hai, subject or verb hai, so it qualifies as a simple sentence. So we follow the simple formula in English, which is S plus V and object, right? Subject, verb, object. Who can quickly tell me what a subject is and what an object is? Mike would do, chat would do. कौन बता सकता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? Anyone that's doing the action is the subject. Very good. Very good, Muqaddas. Good job. What is the object then, guys? Can anyone tell me that? No idea? So the object is the noun or the pronoun that receives the action in the sentence. That is what we call the object. The subject is the one that performs the action. Yes. Very good, Ifra. Excellent. That's right. So I think the thing on which we are working. Very good, Muhammad. Excellent, beta. So you see, you all are right in your own sense, in your entirety. So simply put, हमेशा एक बात याद रखनी है. एक अगर simple sentence है, जिसको हम independent sentence भी कहते हैं, that can stand on its own, that can make sense on its own, if it doesn't have a subject or a verb, it does not and cannot qualify as a simple sentence. Nada, it cannot. So some examples for simple sentences are: the bell rang, my teacher marked the essays, the students worked quietly during the exam, during the lesson, Ali enjoys detective stories. So as you can see, the subject in bold, The verb is underlined, and notice each one makes complete sense on its own. They will tell you over and over again कि इसमें subject है और verb है. Because at the end of the day, a subject and a verb is what is the basic requirement of a simple sentence is. Good so far, guys? Easy peasy? Anyone has any questions of any sort? Because we are now coming on to the activities. अच्छा ये छोटी छोटी activities हैं which we will do side by side ताकि we get the hang of this, and in this lesson we dust it all together. Okay, चलें जी. So I will ask इसमें, I don't want you guys to write it down. I'm not going to give you guys time to write it all down. I'm going to ask you at random and you guys will answer either by turning your mics on or in the chat box. The student dash carefully. I'll go ahead with Zuna. Zuna beta, can you answer this for me? I'll write it down then.
The student listened carefully.
Excellent. Well done. What you all are doing right now. So what is this, guys? What is this one thing that I have written in my blank? Can anyone tell me? Verb. Good job. Did everyone else get to that conclusion as well? कि ये verb है? Listening is a verb, right? So again, अच्छा इसमें subject क्या है? Hasnain beta, can you tell me? What's the subject in this sentence? Very good. Excellent. Easy peasy. Chale, let's move on to Mohammed. Mohammed, my teacher blank the essay. Can you tell me better? What verb can I use? My teacher blank the essay. Come on, guys. This is the easy bit. इसको ऐसे समझो जैसे एक मैराथन है, जल्दी 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 करना है. It should be on your fingertips. से कोई भी verb लगा देते हैं. Reviewed the essay. Well done. That was so good, Mohammed. Good job. Excellent. So, reviewed. Reviewed be एक verb है, right? So we have a subject, we have the verb. Can we write read? Excellent. You can. No worries at all, Ifra. During the lesson, we dash. Mukaddas, can you tell me quickly? Enjoy it. During the lesson, we enjoy it. That's okay. That's good. I hope you guys enjoy as well during the lessons. Trying to actually make English fun. Chalo, that's good as well. Acha, next up, I'll go with Inaya. Inaya, can you give me a verb beta for the next sentence? The heavy rain dash all afternoon. The heavy rain. Or anyone can write whatever they come up with as well. That's fine. I don't mind that. Poured. Very good job, Vania, Ifra, both of you. Very good. Excellent. Inaya, did you come up with something better? Rained. Acha, theek hai. The heavy rain rained all afternoon. But that would be a slightly weak verb to use, no? It's okay, Inaya. What else? The heavy rain pelted or afternoon? Pelted. अब देखो अच्छा यहाँ पे let's also see that we're also learning new words in the process, right? So pelted is a verb that you can use here. Pelted का मतलब पता है किसी को? Pounded. Very good. Excellent, Aisha. Well done. Would it make sense for rain? No, Mukaddas, that would be a weak verb to use considering we have rain as a noun already. So pelted you could write down rain, you could write down poured, you can write down pounded. अच्छा pelted क्या होता है? वो जो rain जब गिरती है, जब बारिश होती है, right? तो जब when that voice, बारिश की जो बूंदों की आवाज होती है, उसको हम pelt कहते हैं खास तौर पे when it falls on buildings. All right? Yes, very good. Thank you, Ifra. Easy peasy so far. Last one quickly, guys. Every morning, my friend Aisha, let's go ahead with you. Every morning, my friend. You guys can also keep a notebook with you, write down all the new words that we are learning, and that's where you can keep, adding to your vocabulary. Chatted. Very good. Excellent. Achha, every morning, my friend chatted. ठीक है, but what could be a better? Exercise. That's right. Okay, good job. Obviously, chatted के साथ अगर हम कुछ और लगा देंगे as an object perhaps, that would be better. Every morning, my friend runs. Good job. Well done. Runs, jogged, exercise. Chatted might need another object with it maybe for it to make more sense. Very good. Calls me. Excellent. Well done. So I think we are good so far. Easy peasy. Everyone has got the hang of this? Thumbs up, please. ताकि मुझे पता है कि you all have got the hang of this and we can move on. बच्चों, हसनैन, मोहम्मद. Okay, Mohammed isn't in class. Okay, all right, good enough, good to go. Now, let's move on to the next one quickly. चलो ये भी करें ताकि क्योंकि we have to move on to compound and complex and that's the main important ones. अच्छा, इसमें you guys have to tell me the subject and the verb. Again, I will ask you guys verbally and try to answer as best as you can. Vanya, we'll go with you first, beta. The children played in the garden. The subject and the verb, बच्चों. Vanya will tell us. Vanya, can you tell us? The children played in the garden. You can write it down, it's fine. Children is the subject, ठीक है? Okay. Played is the verb. Good enough. Well done. Excellent. So we could say children is the subject and played is the verb, right? Good enough. Sarah or Sarah finished her homework. Muqaddas, can you tell us better? Good enough, Aisha? Sarah is the subject, finished is the verb. Very good job. Well done. Okay, we'll go ahead with Hasnan. Hasnan, the old clock ticked loudly. Can you tell me better? The old clock ticked loudly. Very good. Excellent, Hasnan. Well done, beta. Our class visited the museum. Zuna?
Class is the subject and visited is the verb.
Very good. Excellent. And lastly, Ifra, the tired teacher smiled. The tired teacher smiled.
Teacher is the subject and smiled is the verb.
Very good. Acha, dekho, this was a little tricky and well done, Ifra. Why not tired, guys? Tired teacher नहीं होगा? क्यों नहीं होगा? Can anyone tell me? Tired is an action. Tired is not an action. Tired is an adjective. That's right. Well done, Vanya. देखो, सिंपल सा. चलो एक नया रूल समझते हैं. Tired क्या है? Adjective. क्यों? क्योंकि वो टीचर को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. और adjective क्या होता है? Adjective एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. ऐसा ही है ना? सो यहाँ पे टीचर की क्वालिटी डिस्क्राइब की जा रही है विच इज टायर्ड. सो दैट टेल्स अस एंटायरली कि ये हमारा नाउन है, ये एडजेक्टिव है, तो सब्जेक्ट टीचर है. Isn't that the case? Are we good to go? हसन, आपको समझ आया बेटा? Good to go. All right. Let's move on then. चलें जी. Quickly, moving on. Complete or incomplete? चलें जी. अब ये देखते हैं कि how many of you can actually get to the right idea. We'll start with Inaya. Inaya, I would want you to answer, beta. Acha, the boy ran to school. Inaya, can you tell me whether this is complete or incomplete? Complete, I guess. Acha, why? Who can tell me? Zuna, can you tell me why this is complete?
Because it has a subject, verb, and an object.
Very good. It has a subject and a verb primarily. Whether it has an object or not doesn't really matter. All right. It always needs to, however, have the subject and the verb. Good job, Zuna. After the long lesson, Mohammed, beta, can you tell me, ये sentence complete है क्या incomplete है? You can write in the chat box or you can unmute yourself. जिस तरह से भी easy है. Incomplete. क्यों? मोहम्मद भी बताएगा. मोहम्मद, is it incomplete or complete? Subject and verb missing. Aisha ने भी incomplete कहा है, मुकद्दस ने भी, मोहम्मद ने भी incomplete कहा है. Very good. So they are right. It doesn't have a subject. It doesn't have a verb. So obviously it is an incomplete thought. It's an incomplete sentence. हाँ ठीक है. Anyway, she laughed. Muqaddas, can you tell us, beta? Complete. Good job. Excellent work. Because of the heavy rain. Vanya, can you tell us, beta? Because of the heavy rain. Incomplete. Good job. अच्छा, ये भी मैं आप लोगों से पूछूंगी कि ये incomplete इसकी एक वजह और भी है. We'll get to that later, inshallah, ताकि आप लोगों को सबसे सही से समझ आ जाए कि sentence types कैसे होते हैं. The library was quiet. Ifra, can you tell us? The library was quite very good. Excellent. Easy peasy so far, guys. Are we good? Everyone understood? Chalo, let's move on. अब आगे हमारे पास fix the fragments. Fragments obviously वो sentence का structure होता है which is not complete. It's missing a subject, it's missing a verb. All right. Can we quickly complete the fragments, bachcho? We'll start with Zuna again. Running down the corridor. Zuna, can you give me a complete sentence, a complete thought?
Mariam was running down the corridor.
Well done. Excellent. Good job. Mariam was running down the corridor. I'm not writing it down to save time. Acha, we will go on to Inaya. Inaya, can you tell me, beta, the broken pencil? The broken pencil. Or anyone else as well, you guys go on, write it all down. Whatever's coming to your mind. I don't mind. Or agla wala bhi likh de beshak, it's okay. The pencil was broken. ठीक है? Okay, ठीक है. You have changed the sentence structure a bit, but the idea remains the same. Good job. The broken pencil lay on the floor. Well done, Hasnan. Good job. ठीक हो गया? Very good. Very tired after the test. Sarah was sad upon seeing the broken pencil. Good job. Excellent. Bingo. All of you get a star. Well done. Very tired after the test. Sarah was very tired after the test. Well done, Mukaddas. Good job. Anyone else? She left. She left? How will you join it with this? Very tired after. No, I cannot. You tell me, Hasnan, what do you have in mind? You guys can do this. I was very tired after the test. Well done. Excellent. Very good. Moiz was very tired because of the test. Good job. वो भी ठीक है. Challenging. Because का थोड़ा सा एक मसला आता है यहाँ पे क्योंकि because जो आपने लगा दिया ना उससे sentence की type बदल गई है. It's no longer a simple sentence. Simple sentence में बच्चों the thing is we do not write a conjunction. We do not use a conjunction because conjunction है. इसके ऊपर भी हम मजीद बात करेंगे. ये वाली ही चीजें हमने fix करनी है इंशाल्लाह. The broken pencil caused my writing to slow down. Good job. Okay. Excellent. अब आ गया हमारे पास write your own. So write one simple sentence using each given word. Homework, teacher, library. Can you guys do this and send it to me in the group quickly? और बच्चे जो ग्रुप में एडिट नहीं है हसनैन को भी बल्कि मैंने ग्रुप में ऐड करना था. मोहम्मद विल टेल मी लेटर. हसनैन मैं आपको कर देती हूँ ग्रुप में ऐड ना तो फिर आप मुझे वहां भेजो. Quickly guys, I'm giving you guys 2 minutes. इन तीनों के 3 sentences बनाओ simple and send them to me in the group, okay? I am adding Hasnan to the group. Hold on, Hasnan, where are you? मैन आप क्यों नहीं ऐड हो रहे ग्रुप में? होल्ड ऑन. मोहम्मद आप मुझे इधर भेज दो. अच्छा मोहम्मद ने मुझे भेज दिया, सेंड कर दिया. होल्ड ऑन मोहम्मद, आई एम गोना टेक अ लुक. लेट मी जस्ट sort this for Hasnan first. Hasnan, for some reason I'm unable to add you, beta. I'm not sure why this is happening. Hasnan, you've got my message? Okay. Invite send कर रही हूँ फिर मैं आपको. आप देखो if you can add yourself to the group, okay? Take a look मेरा बेटा. Okay. चलें जी, let's take a look at. ठीक है, हसनैन आ गया है. मोहम्मद के देखते हैं पहले हम. I have done my homework. My teacher teaches very well. Library has many kinds of books. Excellent. Well done. Very good, Muhammad. I did my homework on Saturday. I saw my teacher coming. The library was full of books. Well done, Mukaddas. Ali finished his homework. The teacher scolded the students. The library had a peaceful environment. Well done, Ifra. I forgot to do my homework. My teacher scolded me. I went to a library with my friends. Excellent, Vania. Well done. We are waiting for Hasnain, and I think we are waiting for Zuna, Inaya, Aisha. बच्चों आप लोग भी भेज दो मुझे, then we move on. एक काम करें फिर, the ones who are done, you guys can go on to F part. ये भी करके दिखा दो मुझे जल्दी से. You guys can do this, and then inshallah we move on, beta. I finished my homework early. The teacher answered my question. The library was very quiet. Well done, Hasnain. Good job, beta. ठीक है, बहुत good, बच्चों. Very good. Manageable homework to her students. Very good, Zuna. The teacher scolded the students for not attempting the quiz. The library was awfully quiet on Sunday. Excellent work, Zuna. Good job. Let's see Aisha's. Homework helps me learn new things. Very good, Aisha. My teacher makes learning fun. I like to visit the library with my cousins. Excellent. Well done, Aisha. Very good, bachcho. I'm so proud of you guys. Well done. Very good work. I think इस class के बाद you will be able to understand कि simple sentence at least क्या होता है. Then it will be easy for you to work on compound and complex, inshallah. Chale, I'm still waiting for Inaya and for the rest of you to work on part F. मोहम्मद आप फिर से मुझे प्लीज जूम में भेज दो बेटा. I'll be waiting for you. हाँ, okay. Still waiting. चले, कोई बात नहीं. Take your time, guys. The dog barked at me because I climbed on his tail. His tail. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे ना देखो, एक आइडिया होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे दो आइडियाज है मुकद्दस. और बिकॉज का मतलब है कि वी हैव यूज्ड अ कंजंक्शन. यही चीज हमने असल में क्लैरिफाई करनी है कि एक सिंपल सेंटेंस में और जब हम कंजंक्शन लगा देते हैं तो वो सेंटेंस टाइप कैसे बदल जाती है. सुनो, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द डॉग बार्क्ड. इसमें कोई एक सिंपल डिटेल ऐड कर दो. डोंट प्रोलॉन्ग इट. यस, वेरी गुड. द डॉग बार्क्ड एट द स्ट्रेंजर. Good job. Instead of using the conjunction, just add in maybe one more word or two more words, and that's it. You should be making simple sentences at this point. That's it. The teacher spoke very loudly. The dog barked at us. Okay. The students usually wrote essays. ठीक है. The teacher speaks about our behaviors. ठीक है. Speaks. यहाँ पे एक tense का issue आ गया मोहम्मद, तो ठीक है बेटा, कोई मसला नहीं है. We'll inshallah be working on tenses as well. चलें जी, बाकियों को देखते हैं कि ग्रुप में क्या हमें मिला है. The dog barked loudly. The students wrote neatly. The teacher spoke softly. Well done, Ifra. The loud dog barked on the street. In the street would be better. The students wrote a funny story in their notebooks. Well done. The teacher spoke softly to everyone in the class. Well done, Hassan. The dog barked loudly. The students wrote an essay. The teacher spoke about her exam. The dog barked at the poor girl. The students wrote their assignment. Very good, Mukaddas. You guys are now getting the hang of this. I'm so proud of you. Well done. Inaya, mera beta, I'm still waiting for you. इतना confused बच्चा मेरा. Inaya, समझ आ रहा है? Give me a thumbs up. कुछ तो मुझे भेज दो. Send me something in the group, हाँ? I'll be waiting, okay? चलो मेरा बेटा. Okay. चले. Very good. I am so proud of you guys. उन्होंने भी भेज दिया. The dog barked at the old lady. The poetry students wrote a memorable poem. The teacher spoke to Hira's parents about her behavior. Well done. Hira's parents में देखो, अब देखो ना, छोटी छोटी चीजें हम साथ साथ समझ लेंगे कहाँ कहाँ किस किस के issues हैं. Hira's is a possessive, so you'll use an apostrophe with it, right, Zuna? तो ये सारी चीजों के ऊपर हम काम करेंगे ताकि इंशाल्लाह your writing will become top notch by the time you will have to sit for your exam. Inshallah. The big dog parked on the road. The students wrote a short story in the notebook. The teacher spoke gently to everyone. Well done. Very big hand for all of you. Not a very big hand, but I hope you guys can see me clapping regardless. Anyway, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Well done. We will not move on to the writing task because it's going to take time and I want to move on to compound sentences. तो ये आप लोगों का homework होगा, ठीक है? I hope you guys can do this. ये simple सा है. Simple sentences use करके you have to write about 5 to 6 lines on a busy morning at school. I think you all can do this. And then you guys can obviously do a quick check as well. What do you guys think? Was this worksheet helpful enough? Do you guys now understand simple sentence? No. अभी नहीं. Homework, okay? चलो, ये हो गई हमारा सिंपल. अब if you guys understood simple sentences, please give me a thumbs up. So मुझे पता है कि we're done with this, done, dusted. Let's get it out of the way. ठीक है? चलें जी. That is good मेरे बच्चों. Let's move on to compound. यहाँ पे things start getting a little compound as well. Let's see. I'm going to share the next worksheet with you guys. Let me know when you can see my screen, of course. It should be visible to you any second now. अच्छा, अब compound जो sentence है ना, बड़े मजे का sentence है. मजा आता है, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है ये बनाने में. But you see, the thing is कि, you know, the reason why I'm breaking all of this down for you guys is I'm being very, you could say I'm spoon feeding you in a manner of speaking, because once you actually understand things in their entirety, like building blocks, जैसे वो एक होता था game, I remember students in COVID used to play Roblox. I think Roblox is when you build on something, na? If I'm not wrong. So consider this to be building blocks, right? Once you step on each of these building blocks, you go higher up in the game and you get a little closer to your A star, something which I needed when I was an O-level student and something I did not get from my teachers. So once, inshallah, you understand the sentence types and start using them in your writings, I guarantee you guys this, you will see the magic happening, inshallah. Okay, we have compound sentences now. Compound sentences are pretty simple as well. I find them pretty interesting as well. But इसमें एक rule है जो हमें समझना है. And language को maths की तरह समझें या science की तरह. That you memorize the rules, you execute upon those rules. Voila, you got this. So, we have compound sentences. Mohammed, are you in Hawaii, beta? Palm Beach, Florida? किधर बैठे हुए हैं आप? Anyway, all right. चलें. So simply put, छोटी सी एक जो हमारा एक point है about compound sentences is you join together two independent sentences. ठीक है? हम दो simple sentences को उठाते हैं and bam, we join them together. We merge them together. We bring them together. But how do we do that? See, that's the interesting part. As you guys can see the definition as well. Compound sentence, it joins together two complete ideas. If you guys can see that. Complete ideas के बारे में हमने already पढ़ लिया है. हमें पता है कि complete ideas क्या होते हैं, simple sentences क्या होते हैं, and how we can build on them. So you will, what do you do? This is the first step. इसको समझ लें कि आप, ये आपका first step है कि हमने join करना. Understand that you're joining two independent sentences or two simple sentences together. But हमने join किस चीज से करना? Do we have a glue of some sort? Yes, we do. In this case, the glue is a coordinating conjunction. अब coordinating conjunctions क्या होते हैं? कौन मुझे बताएगा? They're very, very simple actually. Can anyone tell me what coordinating conjunctions are? Pretty simple actually. Who can tell me what coordinating conjunctions are? ठीक है? Yes, Hasnan, good enough. But conjunctions, देखो conjunctions की बहुत सारी types हैं और बच्चों को बहुत सारी types पता भी होती हैं. But हमेशा बच्चों को ये नहीं पता होता कि compound sentences में हम एक तरह के conjunctions use करते हैं और complex में एक हम दूसरे तरह के conjunctions use करते हैं. चलो, let me make it easy for you. ये नजर आ रहा है? Fanboys? Fanboys? Have you guys heard about fanboys? Thumbs up, please. Or thumbs down if you have not. सुना हुआ है fanboys? तो fanboys का formal term is coordinating conjunctions. और मेरे बच्चों, ये एक बात बिठा लो दिमाग में. No matter what happens, in a compound sentence, you only need to use coordinating conjunctions. If you use any other kind of conjunctions, that is not a compound sentence. Compound sentence में you only need to use fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Good to go? Easy peasy? समझ आ गया? किसी किस्म का कोई क्वेश्चन so far? जब compound sentence बनाना है, तब हमें फौरन, you have to get this in your mind, you can only use fanboys. इसीलिए because या after जैसे conjunctions को नहीं use करना. ठीक है? They come in complex sentences. Good to go? Compound sentences, coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Fanboys. Easy peasy? Lemon squeezy? समझ आ गया है? चलें जी. Let's take a look at a few examples. The bell rang and the students entered the classroom. कितना easy था. ये हमारे पास दो simple sentences हैं. These are two complete sentences, right? इसमें subject है, इसमें verb है. And this in between is our प्यारा सा coordinating conjunction, right? Good to go? Then I revised hard, but I still felt nervous. We can read quietly or we can write in our journals. The test was difficult, so I practiced every day. See, guys? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The thumb rule is to remember that if you end up using conjunctions other than fanboys, that's not a compound sentences, bachcho. Compound sentence, only coordinating conjunctions, okay? Chale, let's move on to our activity A. Match to make a compound sentence. Chale ji, let's see who can do this and in what capacity. All right? I will start off with Zuna again. Zuna is our icebreaker. Zuna, ready?
Yes.
Chale beta. The rain poured down. What will you join it with?
Sea and the streets flooded quickly.
Excellent work. Well done, Zuna. Muqaddas, will you take the lead now, bete? She studied all night. You guys can also tell me A, B, C, D, E. B, well done. Excellent work, Muqaddas. Good job. You can submit it today. Hasnain, can you tell me, beta? D, well done. Good job, Hasnain. Proud of you, beta. All right. Okay, Muqaddas has sent all of them. Okay, Muqaddas, good job. But let's ask Muhammad next. Muhammad, beta, can you tell me the fourth one? The library was full. And Anaya, you will tell me the fifth one. Muhammad, we're waiting for you. E, well done. The library was full, so we sat in the corridor. Good job. And Anaya, obviously, what do we have, Inaya? Can you tell me? He missed the bus. Inaya's in class. Yes, she is. Inaya, which one? Very good. Excellent. Bingo. Good job. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to B. Now, choose the joining word. Challenging. Let's quickly do this as well. This should not take us a lot of time. So we'll start with Ifra in this case. Ifra, beta, mera beta, can you tell me and, but, or so? I wanted to read blank, the room was too noisy. But, okay, we will rewrite. But, Vanya, you're next up, beta. She finished early. Aisha will go with you next. So she helped her friend. Good job, mera beta. G, Aisha, are you there, beta?
We can take the bus or we can walk.
Or we can walk. Bingo. Well done. Good job, guys. Hasnan, you're up next. He studied hard. He studied hard and he passed the test. He studied hard and he passed the test. Okay, good job. Well done. Okay, Muhammad, last one. The lesson was long. Blank, it was interesting. I hope that's your sentiments after this class. All right, guys. Bataiye beta. Muhammad. So, the lesson was long. So, acha, what would be a better conjunction to use, Muhammad? If I don't use so. But, lamba tha, but it was interesting at least, right? Yes, very good. So it will be but. Good job. All right. देखो यही हमने देखना है कि what is a better fit. क्योंकि each conjunction offers a different meaning, presents a different meaning, and that's where our own intelligence comes in. Okay, मेरा बेटा? And by the way, you guys can all do this if you think hard enough. Allah has given all of you that ability. I simply do not believe in the fact that anyone is dumb. It's about the right guidance, thinking along the proper lines, and that's it. Staying on the path, okay? Could so fit in 4. He studied hard, so he passed the test. Yes, that it can. Good job. So actually, I think will be a better fit actually. Good job, Muqaddas. Well done. All right, mere bachon. Ab we have combined this into one sentence. I would want you guys to be quick, okay? So I will tell you guys that I want Zuna to go first because she's quick and she just turns her mic on and answers. I then want Aisha to go next. Uske baad I want Hasnain to go, okay? So you guys can write it down in the meantime. Ji Zuna, bataiye beta. The bell rang, the students entered the classroom.
The bell rang and the students entered the classroom.
Well done. Excellent. So we can just simply use the conjunction and. ठीक है. Ji, next up, who did I say? Aisha or Vanya?
I revised for the test, but I still felt nervous.
Well done, Aisha. I'm so proud of you. Good job, mera beta. And I like the fact that you turned your mic on and answered again. Good job, mera beta. Ji, Hasnain, can you tell me, bete? She forgot her notebook. She borrowed a page from her friend. She forgot her notebook, but she borrowed a page. अच्छा, but से बेहतर क्या हो सकता है? I think there's a conjunction that we can use that would be a better fit. Yes, so. क्यों? वो notebook भूल गई, so she borrowed a page from her friend. चले मेरा बेटा. Let's move on to D. Let's see कि sentence simple है कि compound है. Inaya, I want you to go second, so tell me in the chat box, okay? Okay, मेरा बेटा. Muqaddas will go first. Muqaddas, why are you not turning your mic on and answering? You usually do that.
I'm okay.
The teacher explained the lesson clearly.
It's a simple one.
Well done. Good job. Inaya, do you have the answer for me for the second one? But I hope I'm not going too fast. Compound. Well done. Good job. I hope everyone is following me. I don't want to go too fast. अभी तक सबको सब समझ आ रहा है? Yeah, am I going too fast? Is my pace too fast, particularly for the newcomers? Hasnain and Muhammad? Good so far. Okay. Okay, bachcho. The students laughed at the joke. Aisha, mera beta, can you tell me?
It's a simple one.
Good enough. Okay, Vanya, beta, you are next. Number 4. And Ifra, you will come after that, beta. Vanya says it's compound. Good enough, Vanya. Good job. It is indeed a compound sentence. What about you, Ifra, beta? Do you have the last one for me? We read the passage twice. Sorry, beta?
Simple.
Very good. I'm so proud of you guys for answering and interacting. Good job. Well done, all of you. Chale ji. Fixing the punctuation. Ye dekhte hain. Who will get this right? I opened my book and I began to read. Ji. Macho, how do we punctuate this sentence? How does punctuation work for this? Anyone can write in the chat box. I don't mind. Can someone punctuate the sentence properly for me? Comma after book. Okay, Zuna is saying comma after book. Anyone else? Any bright ideas? I opened my book and I began to read. Well done. Good job, guys. Acha, yahan pe na, the thing is कि basically, understand it this way, कि you are putting a comma actually before the conjunctions, ठीक है? And particularly in the case of and, we call this as an Oxford comma. Something, acha, by the way, it's not important. Even if you write without the comma, it's fine. It's an exception to the rule. You can say in a manner of speaking. Are we good so far, guys? I think this was easy enough. I think majority of you understand this already, right? Challenge. Ma'am, I have a question. Ji, Muqaddas, go on, beta.
Ma'am, if we are writing a sentence that's coming up to ourselves, so are we gonna start with I, me, or myself? Myself, of course not, but like I or me.
No. Repeat that again. Muqaddas, your question, please.
No, I'm saying that would we use I or me in the
When?
sentence that we are preferring to ourselves?
Beta, that depends on the narrative voice that you are using. Are you using the first person? Then I. Maybe nahi hoga. It would be I.
For example, if I'm addressing like me and my friend, so it would be like that.
हाँ, उसमें देखो, again, it depends on the narrative voice, right? So I can't tell you for a fact कि आप I use करोगे कि me use करोगे. Myself तो नहीं उस तरह से होगा, but myself is very casual. But it depends on your narrative voice in the narrative writing essay. I think that's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
When you're writing a narrative, हाँ, so that would depend on your narrative voice, beta. Okay.
All right.
Good to go. G. Oxford comma, you are right, Ifra. That's fine. However, there are exceptions to this rule as well, which we maybe we'll see, we'll discuss those in the future or not, but I don't think at your level those are important. But yes, even if you do not put the commas in coordinating conjunctions, or sorry, in compound sentences, we are good to go. Okay, bacho? Are we good so far? Easy peasy? Everyone is on the same page? Chale. Let's move on to number F, please. Bacho, quickly, in the group, please make your sentences. Mohammed, you in the chat box, please, beta. Chale. Go on, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, are these supposed to be the simple ones or okay,
Compound.
compound. I didn't read
See?
it.
Because they have the conjunctions given, na? Hmm. Okay. Good that all of you are typing. I went to the shop. I went to the shopping and asked my best friend to come along. I think you meant to write. I went to the shopping mall. Look at this. I went to the shopping mall. I wanted to go to the girls' trip, but my parents didn't allow. अच्छा हाँ देखो एक और चीज we learned here. Did के साथ मेरा बेटा did के साथ we always use first form. Okay? So we always need to use first form of the verb when it comes to did. When it comes to did, did के साथ allowed नहीं allow. Okay? I was happy yesterday, so I decided to give a treat to my cousin. ठीक है? Better structure would be, so I decided to give my cousin a treat. But good job, Mukaddis. You used the conjunctions properly. Good job. I like oranges and my brother likes apples. The weather was hot, but we enjoyed our day out. My phone battery was lower, so I quickly charged it. Well done, Aisha. Good to go. The class was noisy and it was affecting the studies, and it affected the studies would be better because आप was use कर रहे हो. So we'll remain in the past tense, Asnan, okay? He wanted to watch our movie, but all tickets were sold out. Tickets hai, to were hoga, right? Plural. The weather was very cold, so we turned on the heater. Good job. I opened the book and began to read. It was raining but stopped shortly after. I forgot my pencil, so I borrowed my friends. Acha, it was raining but it stopped shortly after. I forgot my pencil, so I borrowed my friends. ठीक है. I went to a grocery store and bought some snacks. We went to a zoo, but it started raining. I was bored, so I called my friends over. Well done, Vania. Okay, Mohammed, I think it was cheap to travel, but the fares are high in this city. I think it is cheap to travel, okay? I got good marks, so I celebrated it, okay? All of my friends go on trips. Yeah, go on trips, huh? All of my friends go on trips, subject verb agreement. ये भी हम आगे करेंगे. And enjoyed very well. तो इसमें ये होगा क्योंकि आप past tense use कर रहे हो, तो all of my friends went on the trip and enjoyed very well. Okay, Mohammed? तो यहाँ पे tense का issue आया मेरा बेटा. We will fix this, okay? अच्छा. Hadia made the project and also presented it in front of the class. I did all my chores, but still my mother didn't give me my allowance. Okay. Fatima wished to go to the canteen, so I offered to go with her. Well done. I think I'm still waiting on Inaya. Then Inaya ka nahi aaya abhi tak. हाँ. Inaya मेरा बेटा, I'm waiting. I think Inaya के अलावा मुकद्दस भी हो गई है. इफ्रा, वानिया, जूना, हसनैन, मोहम्मद. कौन रह गया? आयशा भी हो गई है. हाँ. सो फिर अब कौन रहता है? सिर्फ इनाया रह गई है. इनाया मेरा बेटा, I'm waiting. चलें जी. अच्छा, अब again, बच्चों, this particular writing task will also be your homework. I'll be sharing these worksheets with you in the group, so you have them with you. All right? So, are we good? Did you guys understand compound sentences? Because the next upcoming is quite complex. Pun intended. Anyway, compound sentences समझ आ गए सबको? Are we good, guys? Anyone has any type of questions at all? Do you guys think you'll remember them at least when it comes to your O levels and A levels? Yeah. Inshallah, down the line, you'll have to work on your personal statements as well. You will need this, bachon. While this is taught to us in junior and middle school, but we need this for a very long time in our lives, okay? So just trying to define that for you. Acha, up quickly, we'll introduce ourselves to complex. या क्या कहते हैं आप लोग? Should we take a look at a narrative versus descriptive writing worksheet? Or should we start with complex sentences? Because complex can be a little tricky. Do you think we should start with them tomorrow? Considering time is scarce? चलो ठीक है, complex से start कर देते हैं. ठीक है, it's okay. Let us start with complex, okay? चलो मेरा बेटा, okay. I'm going to share that particular worksheet with you guys. Is it visible? Can you guys see my screen? No, it's not visible. Hold on, let me see. G, is it visible now? Okay. So complex sentences, as obviously the word itself denotes as well, they can be a little tricky. But again, rules to follow, rules to execute, voila. You guys will be good to go, inshallah. And that is a guarantee, by the way, as long as we're on the same page. अच्छा, अब complex sentence होता क्या है, करना क्या है, होता क्या है, बनता कैसे है और क्यों बनाना है. So you see, it adds depth by linking a main idea with a supporting one. So simply put, complex sentence ka idea is simple. You join together one independent sentence with one dependent sentence, join them together, bam, and you get a complex sentence. So अच्छा, अब हमने ये तो समझ लिया कि complex sentence में simply put एक इंडिपेंडेंट होता है सेंटेंस, एक इंडिपेंडेंट पार्ट होता है, एक डिपेंडेंट होता है. इंडिपेंडेंट वो होता है जिसमें सब्जेक्ट होता है और वर्ब होता है. तो बच्चों, डिपेंडेंट क्या होता है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? जूना, कैन यू टेल मी? एनीवन हु कैन quickly turn their mic on and answer. What do you guys think is a dependent sentence or a dependent clause? Anyone? No idea? So dependent is the very opposite. वो सेंटेंस पार्ट, वो सेंटेंस का वो पार्ट जिसमें सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नहीं होता. Make sense? Something that is missing a subject or a verb, that is a dependent part of the sentence. Easy peasy, bachcho. Let's move on. Who is not in class? किसने छोड़ा? Inaya, I think, huh? ठीक है. Okay. So complex sentence has one main clause. As you guys can see, it's a complete idea that can stand alone. And it has one dependent clause, an idea that cannot stand alone. So the dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunction. When the dependent clause comes first, we usually put a comma after it. अच्छा, इसको मैं simple terms में आपको बताती हूँ. इसके दो rules होते हैं, ठीक है? पहला rule तो हमने ये याद रखना है, simple सा, कि हम एक independent को और एक dependent sentence को join करते हैं. किस चीज से join करते हैं? उन conjunctions को हम कहते हैं subordinating conjunctions. अभी हमने जो पहले पढ़े हैं compound sentences, उसमें कौन से conjunctions थे? Who can tell me? By turning their mic on, please. Compound sentences में what kind of conjunctions did we learn about? What do we call them? उनका जो एक नाम था, हमने क्या पढ़ा था?
Coordinating.
Yes, that's right. Fanboys, but we formally call them coordinating conjunctions. ये याद रखना है बच्चों. When we come to complex sentences, we basically use subordinating conjunctions. But subordinating conjunctions are not as simple as compound or coordinating conjunctions. इनकी एक पूरी लंबी list होती है. I will share that list on WhatsApp, okay? But To give you an idea, इसमें basic sentences, basic conjunctions होते हैं because, after, although, etc., etc., etc. Right? So इसकी पूरी list होती है. I will share that list with you guys shortly. If, very good, Aisha. अच्छा, हाँ बिल्कुल, ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखे हुए भी हुए हैं. Because, although, when, while, if, since, before, after, unless. और ये बहुत छोटी सी लिस्ट है. अभी इसकी एक अच्छी खासी लंबी लिस्ट होती है that you can use in your sentences. अच्छा, अब हमने इसका रूल कैसे समझना है. एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनता कैसे है. How do we actually make it? अब मैं किधर समझाऊं आपको. होल्ड ऑन. हाँ, यहीं से देखो. इसमें 2 रूल्स होते हैं बेटा टू रिमेंबर. एक चीज तो ये याद रखनी है. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ कि ये जो सेंटेंस है इसमें इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस कौन सा है और डिपेंडेंट कौन सा है. हु कैन टेल मी. जूना, कैन यू टेल मी what is the dependent sentence in this sentence or the dependent part, and which one is the independent one or the dependent one, vice versa?
I think that the dependent one is that I understood it at the end, and the independent is the lesson was difficult.
ठीक है. Anyone else? Muqaddas, can you tell me? Aisha?
Ma'am, I didn't got the question.
बेटा, ये जो सेंटेंस है, although the lesson was difficult, I understood it in the end. इसमें से डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज या डिपेंडेंट पार्ट कौन सा है और इंडिपेंडेंट पार्ट कौन सा है.
Miss,
जी आयशा, बताइए.
dependent clause is although the lesson was difficult, and independent clause is I
अच्छा, जस्ट अ
understood.
मिनट.
And
सॉरी बच्चों. जी हाँ जी, प्लीज आयशा, प्लीज गो ऑन मेरा बेटा. सॉरी अबाउट दैट.
Miss, the dependent clause in it is although the lesson was difficult, and the independent one is I understood in the end.
अच्छा, अब देखो, यू गाइस, डू यू सी दिस कि यू आर सिंपली टेकिंग गेसेस हियर, ऑल ऑफ यू. और गेस वर्क पे लैंग्वेज डजंट वर्क, बिकॉज गेस वर्क में क्या होता है कि कभी आपका तुक्का ठीक निकलता है एंड कभी ऑब्वियसली यू एंड अप making mistakes, right? So इसमें एक rule है that I'm going to tell you guys, and inshallah once you actually get the hang of it, it will make it easy for you to understand. हमेशा मेरे बच्चों एक बात याद रखनी है. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज सेंटेंस में वो होगा जिसके बिल्कुल शुरू में सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन आएगा. ठीक है? इसलिए इन द सेंटेंस फाइंड द कंजंक्शन. सो मेरा कंजंक्शन ऑल्दो है. दैट मीन्स कि ये जो पार्ट है सेंटेंस का, ये डिपेंडेंट है. डज दैट मेक सेंस? या? डू यू गाइस फॉलो सो फार? थम्स अप इफ यू डू. द डिपेंडेंट इज द लेसन वाज डिफिकल्ट. लेसन वाज डिफिकल्ट. Acha, let me tell you guys again. Let me repeat this again. Wherever you will see the subordinating conjunction coming, whatever comes after it, that is your dependent clause. All right? Aisa rule, you cannot go wrong with it. All right? So, jahan pe bhi conjunction aata hai, wahan samajh jao ki ye dependent hai. ज़्यादा दिमाग चलाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है उसके आगे. ओके मेरा बेटा? चाहे वो सेंटेंस के शुरू में आ रहा है, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के बीच में आ रहा है. अब एक और रूल क्या होता है जब हम, अब देखो, ये तो हमारा डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है, ठीक है, और ये हमारा इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया ऑटोमेटिकली. फिर क्योंकि कंजंक्शन हमारा शुरू में आ रहा है, तो वट एवर इज कमिंग विद द कंजंक्शन, दैट इज द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, इसको जरा इरेज करते हैं. हाँ, अब as you guys can see this, let me use another color. Okay, you can see this comma. What happened? You guys can see this comma. Comma will only be used if the dependent clause is coming at the beginning of the sentence. ठीक है? अगर sentence हमारा dependent clause से शुरू होगा, only then we will use a comma in between. Okay बच्चों? दूसरी instance क्या है? Dependent clause is coming after, independent clause is coming first. So let's suppose I see the second sentence. Let's take a look at this example. Let me show you this. I completed my homework. I wanted a good grade. Well, what is the dependent? You're not getting. Mukaddas, I told you guys that starting this right now might be a little tricky. Actually, let's stop it here. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. We will not overdo this because this is a little tricky to understand. We'll inshallah continue with this tomorrow. We'll understand complex sentences in its entirety. But so far, did you guys get the hang of it to some extent? थोड़ा बहुत कुछ समझ आया? Simple and compound sentences good to go. Would you guys think this was fruitful for you guys? This grammar lesson was fruitful? Because बच्चों इसके बगैर narratives और directed writing नहीं हो सकती. Okay? It's easy if understood properly. That's right, Ifra. इसलिए हम खुले दिमाग से एक अपने active mind से we will do this tomorrow, inshallah. ठीक है? We'll continue from here और फिर हम narratives और descriptive writing देखेंगे. Thumbs up, बच्चों. All good. जो नहीं आया, dump all of your questions in the group chat on WhatsApp. I got you guys. Okay? Inshallah, यहाँ से we'll continue. Okay? चलो, take care. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll be sharing the first 2 worksheets. Okay? Homework करके रखो ताकि you're practicing side by side. It's barely going to take 5 minutes. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, everyone. See you, बच्चों. Homework is the small, paragraphs that you guys need to do in the worksheet number 1 and 2 that we worked on. Simple and compound. Okay? Allah Hafiz, beta. Bye bye, Hastan. Okay, Fra?